Microsoft Project and Jira are both versatile project management tools. Microsoft Project is packed with features like Gantt charts, task management, scheduling, and resource management. It's ideal for complex projects requiring detailed planning. On the other hand, Jira shines with its agile project management features. It offers Scrum boards, Kanban boards, roadmaps, and sprint planning. It is highly customizable and can be tailored to suit any workflow. Both tools have unique strengths, so your choice depends on your project's nature and your team's workflow. When it comes to pricing, both platforms offer different plans. Microsoft Project pricing starts at $10 per user per month, offering various plans up to $55 per user per month. Jira, on the other hand, has a free version for small teams. Its premium version starts at $7 per user per month. While Jira offers a free version, Microsoft Project offers more advanced features in its basic package. The choice between the two will depend on your budget and the features your team needs. User experience is a crucial aspect of any software. Microsoft Project, with its comprehensive features, can be overwhelming for beginners. It has a steep learning curve. Jira, in contrast, is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface. It offers a smooth user experience, and its features are easy to learn and use. However, some users find Jira's customizability to be initially confusing. So, while Jira may be easier to start with, both tools require some learning to use them effectively. Integrations can greatly enhance the functionality of project management tools. Microsoft Project integrates well with other Microsoft products like Teams and SharePoint. However, its third-party integrations are limited. Jira, on the other hand, integrates with a vast number of third-party tools, including Confluence, Bitbucket, Slack, Trello, and many more. This makes Jira more flexible and adaptable to different workflows and tools, making it a more versatile choice for teams using a diverse set of tools. Performance can greatly affect productivity. Microsoft Project, with its robust features, can sometimes be slow and take time to load, especially with larger projects. Jira, on the other hand, is known for its speedy performance even when handling large projects. It's designed to handle high workloads effectively. Therefore, if speed and performance are critical for your team, Jira might be the better choice. However, Microsoft Project's performance issues are not a deal breaker and can be managed with proper planning. Security is a key concern in a project management. Microsoft Project, being a part of the Microsoft ecosystem, benefits from Microsoft's robust security measures. It provides features like data encryption and compliance with global standards. Jira also takes security seriously and offers features like data encryption, disaster recovery, and compliance with various standards. Both tools provide strong security measures, so your choice will depend more on other factors. In terms of support, Microsoft Project offers phone and chat support, along with a comprehensive knowledge base. Jira offers support via a ticketing system and also has an extensive knowledge base and community forum. Regarding scalability, both tools are capable of handling large projects. However, Jira's flexibility and integrations make it more scalable, especially for teams that are growing or have diverse needs. After comparing all the aspects, Jira comes out slightly ahead. It shines with its user-friendly interface, wide range of integrations, and strong performance. It's also more affordable, offers more flexibility and scalability. However, Microsoft Project is still a strong contender, especially for teams heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem or those handling complex projects. Remember, the best tool depends on your team's specific needs and workflow. Thank you for watching our comparison of Microsoft Project and Jira. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and insights. Your support helps us create more content for you. Stay tuned for more.